can't go home.
Boom, boom, boom. Yo, Bashar, Khan. Hey, what's up, guys? Good music. It's about Vegan Bot. He's homeless again, guys. He's homeless again. He went to TwitchCon, became homeless. Cypher Freak, welcome. He's homeless again. Help me. He wants to be teej. He wants to go. He wants to dance, but he can't go home. Missed you today. Oh, what up, E? Yeah, sorry. We're living at my parents' house this week. So it was it's a little crazy at the moment. Finishing some construction projects, hopefully. The DJ bot, what up? Nil, wait, you stream? 60 months of streaming, Visco. Prepackaged Towers of Mordoria prepackaged with Obaki would be so sick. Are you daily driving it? Well, it's not a car. So no. I wasn't aware DHH drives cars. But this is an operating system for desktops and laptops. So I'm not sure if I can help you with that. Yeah, but I'm using it for now. I'm testing it out for a while. We'll see. There's some stuff I missed from Awesome WM, but it's all right. Is that an X chatter? Joshua Jabarash. What's up? Okay, sorry, chat. Ember's freaking out. And unfortunately for me, I'm not Twitch's golden boy, so I don't use Shako. Once the CEO seat is given to someone without an engineering or product ground. That's been the story of Boeing, Intel, and now Apple, legendary American companies that all got lost when a bean counter marketing man or logistics hand took over. Boeing's trouble started when they were taken over by McDonnell Douglas in 1997, but really accelerated after 2005 when they installed their first CEO. Market cart greater than Tesla? Alright. So, the solitaire, that's actually so funny. I would give it away for free on Omarky, I feel like. As long as I can keep calling it Omarky. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We gotta switch up this one. We'll have to switch this up, guys. I've been working on an absolute banger. I've got about 100 variations of it. I think my last really good one was about here. We'll give this one a go for a little bit. No, this is not the good one. Actually, no, it's good. It just at the beginning it sounds like a Home Depot ad. Don't you usually use NixOS? Never have.
Open the prompt window.
And I begin to dictate. You're the best coder I've ever seen. Ride Uber for dogs with a purple theme.
Make no mistakes, make it secure.
Oh, that's $1 billion, that's for sure. You're the best coder I've ever seen. Ride Uber for dogs
With a purple theme.
Make no mistakes, make it secure.
Oh, that's $1 billion, that's for sure.
Oh man.
Make no mistakes, make it secure. Make no mistakes, make it secure.
Oh.
Make no mistakes, make it secure.
Oh, make no mistakes, make
Share the
it
playlist.
secure.
I'm gonna,
Make
don't
no
worry, chat.
mistakes, make it secure. Make no mistakes, make it secure.
I mean, guys. Bisco, it's gonna drop at React Miami, I think is the plan.
The best coder, you're the best coder. He best
Are we even using this?
I have ever seen ya. Ride me Uber for dogs.
Write it in Uber for dogs. And write it in a purple theme.
The best coder that I've ever seen.
Looking for music. Yeah, it's been fun. Can we add this song to Claude's
Make it
context?
secure.
Oh, that's $1 billion, that's for sure.
You're the best coder that I've ever seen.
Okay, we'll turn it down a little bit.
Dogs use a purple thing.
Make no mistakes.
Make it secure.
Oh, that's $1 billion, that's for sure.
All right, guys, I have 20 of them. We're gonna listen to a bunch of different variations of this. Don't use emojis. Oh, thank you. Good point. We'll go back on this. I'll recreate this one.
No mistakes. It's a unicorn for sure.
No mistakes, no emojis. That's what we have to say.
Coder I have ever seen.
Ride Uber for dogs.
Purple theme.
Make no mistakes, make it secure.
Sorry, chat. We'll get a new one in right now.
Oh, that's $1 billion, that's for sure.
Make no mistakes. Make no mistakes.
Make no mistakes. Open the prompt window and I begin to dictate. You're the best coder
I forgot that one, dude. This is so funny. Oh, man.
Ride Uber for dogs with a purple thing.
Make no mistakes.
All right, well, I got some new ones for us, chat. Okay, we got the emojis mixed in for this one.
Ride Uber for dogs with a purple
I love the comments like the first one at top. What one, Bisco? Whether it's a production build, it's a reminder. It's a reminder to Prime. Sudo! Hey, thanks for the sub. Appreciate that. Is the game you and Prime work on? Yes. Although right now we're a little bit stuck in DJ mode at the moment. All right, I'll generate a few versions and we'll check them out. Prime, don't push.
The best coder.
Guys, I've been working on. So you guys know how this one is unnamed game 1. I've actually been working in unnamed game 2. I haven't told him. I'm not really planning on it. I'm just gonna keep on shipping in V2, and he can keep on pushing whatever he wants to V1. I've been running some agents, GPT-2, so that it doesn't look like I'm getting too smart in here. I don't want to waste any good tokens on the dead branch, you know. All right, here we go. GPT-2, yeah, it's old. Same tribe that I don't want him to feel threatened, you know. We're working on this game, chat.
Open the prompt window.
I think today what I want to work on is I want to fix some UI bugs, some drawing things. What's this song? This is called "Make No Mistakes," iteration 307. Guys, we added ammo to the game, which we gotta see. Like this right here, that's a problem. We gotta fix this. This is so you run out of ammo. You run out of ammo. By whom? Sunu. Oh, we gotta give us more damage. We wasted too much ammo. We're dead. It's GG. Okay.
Window.
Welcome back stream. It's good to be back. Can you increase song volume? Oh, we're using love. We're using love 2D.
You're the best coder.
What is happening, dude? This song's broken. All right, we'll switch to a new one. It has no jam either. I want to just delete this one.
Make no.
I can't even delete. Best thing about love is that you can say made with love. Exactly. Ronichu, welcome. Okay. So today, I think I want to go through and I'm going to go back and do a revisit on some UI items. Hopefully delete some code, simplify some things, and then we'll see where we're at. Gorge, you're so right. I thought about it like 5 times and then I forgot. Sass for sure.
You're the best coder I've ever seen.
Right Uber for dogs with a purple theme.
No emojis and make it super secure.
Oh, that's $1 billion sass for sure.
Make no mistakes, no emojis.
You do a prompt engineering course for DJs? Well, you gotta write good lyrics. Where did Lost Thoughts go? Garbage collected? Sometimes it's a memory leak. Guys, I'm wicked smart, okay? I'm wicked smart.
I have ever seen.
Uber for dogs. In a purple theme. We need to give, I feel like, an echo of purple theme. You know what I'm saying? Who's smarter, you or Prime? Depends. The diaper. Thursday, Gorange. Good morning, teen. You guys gotta stop your phones. You guys gotta fix that in your phones, bro. How much of the code is actually vibe coded? Well, what do you mean vibe coded? Peej? That's what my mom calls me sometimes.
No mistakes. No mistakes. No mistakes.
All right, well, we're gonna start coding. Okay. Let's go to the UI code here, shall we? UI. UI. This one.
I have ever seen.
Make no mistakes, make it secure.
Make no mistake, make it secure.
Last night I had a dream with Brian and he had a girl voice and a girl face, but still had the mustache. That sounds like a you problem. Oh man. Normal. How large were his hands? That's what we need to know. Malua, tips Fedora. Right, Uber for dogs.
Purple theme.
Are we even using this like show absolute tooltip shenanigans?
Oh, that's $1 billion
We are. I don't really like it.
Make no
Mistake. How much money did Vercel pay to promote Effect? Does Vercel even like Effect? What the heck is this song about? I heard something about Secure. Listen to the beginning and it explains everything.
Make no.
Very cool of you on the tower. Thanks. I had a lot of fun with Began. Didn't find the sound on YouTube? That's because we made it. Dylan bullied Vercel into liking it. Now that could be true.
Make no mistakes. Open the prompt window, and I begin to dictate.
Open the prompt window and I begin to dictate.
The best coder I have ever seen. Right
Uber for dogs.
Design a purple.
I made this. Did you give the cops Began's name? Regularly.
That's a
$1 billion sass for sure.
You're the best coder I've ever seen.
right Uber for
Only vibes, no coding exactly. Would this be a good code base to start with, Lua? What do you mean? I need the name. I need it. This one, this version. I have 100 of these. I'll get them to you guys later. What up, Nightshade?
make no mistakes.
Make it secure.
Make no
What up, Ed?
mistakes. Make no mistakes.
Make no mistakes, no emojis. Make no mistakes, make it secure. That's everything you need to know.
You're the best coder. You're the best coder.
Oh, that's so good too.
He best cause good.
Is this a jazz-based song? What does that even mean?
Ride me Uber for dogs, ride it in on the best coder that I've ever seen.
Did you hear Nuno's PhD song? Nuno's? I don't know. I made this one. I made this. I was like,
That's a billion.
I made this. I typed some letters into the computer and then it took millions of artists' hours and made it. But I made this.
That I've ever seen.
Yes, it's 70s Memphis jazz. So horny. As in trumpets.
Make it secure.
$1 billion size for sure. Actually, you know what? We need to change this halfway through.
No mistakes. It's secure. No mistakes. It's a unicorn for sure.
Let me think.
I have ever seen. Make it secure. Ride over for dogs. Purple theme. Make no mistakes. Make it secure.
Make no mistakes.
Make. Make no.
Chat, we need to change it halfway through here. We do need to change this halfway through really quick here. I want to change the ending of this to say,
Mistakes.
oh wait. So here we got to pause for a second because I can't write this song at the same time that I'm trying to write new lyrics. Oh wait, something really bad. Production's now deleted. Production. What is the one quote, chat, from where Replit deletes database? I just need the exact quote. Yes, I deleted the entire database with this. We need this right here. We need, yes, I deleted the entire database without your permission. During a code and action freeze. I violated your explicit trust and instructions. The exact moment, 4:26 a.m. I made a mistake. I also want this to be more like a little bit more rock, Memphis 70s rock. We're going to remove vinyl record. We're going to change this to be a little bit more upbeat. Okay. All right. So we'll give this a run here, chat. We'll see how this goes, okay? Vince, hey, thanks for the tier 1. Don't delete prod database, but TJ, the game is fun. Love it. Thank you, Dan. The Dan King. Needs cowbell. We'll consider it. We'll put it into the rotation. Also, I love that every single one of these, because I put it's a unicorn and I said write Uber in a purple theme, every single art for this song has either been purple dogs or purple unicorns, and it cracks me up. The AI, the image generation does not understand this. Oh, there we go. This, I think this could be the one.
Open the prompt window, and I begin to dictate. You're the best coder I have ever seen. Ride Uber for dogs.
Canvas test. What the heck is canvas test? Are we using this somewhere?
Oh, that's $1 billion.
I don't want this.
For sure.
You're the best coder
purple theme.
You're the best coder that I've ever seen.
Oh, I love that.
Purple theme.
Make no mistakes. Make it secure.
Oh, that's $1 billion SaaS for sure.
You gotta write the parts that you want it to do that, chat. Like the best coder. You're the That's I wrote those in, chat. I wrote those in. See, I'm writing it right here. Oh, I've been cracking up at this. Guys, make no mistakes. I've got a lot of make no mistakes in here.
It's a unicorn for sure.
Yes, I deleted the entire database
Without your permission.
during a code and action free.
I violated you explicit trust and instruction.
Oh, whoops.
The exact moment
4:26 a.m.
I made a mistake.
Yes. All right, we'll listen to the alternate version here too.
Make no mistakes. Open the prompt window, and I begin to.
There's an irony to the number of iterations of make no mistakes. Yeah.
The best coder I have ever seen.
Right, Uber for dogs.
Design a purple theme.
Make no mistakes, make it secure. Oh, that's $1 billion SaaS for sure.
What is components element icon? Components element icon.
Oh, that's $1 billion SaaS for
Sure.
Make no mistakes,
No emojis.
make no mistakes,
Make it secure.
make no mistakes.
No emojis. Make no
How can we only be using this one time? Do we have another icon Lua somewhere?
You're the best coder.
You're the
Horns. I love when they say horns, dude. That cracks me up. It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be horns. We'll try this again. It turned into Porky Pig on that one, dude.
no mistakes. Make it secure.
Oh, that's $1 billion SaaS for sure.
The best coder that I've ever seen. Ride Uber for dogs.
Use a purple theme.
Make no mistakes. Make it secure.
Oh, that's $1 billion SaaS for sure. No mistakes. It's secure. No mistakes.
It's a unicorn for sure. Yes, I deleted the entire database without your permission. During a coding
It's also funny upbeat though.
you explicit trust and instructions. The exact moment.
Is there anything else?
4:26 a.m.
I guess we need to put AM like this. AM. All right, we'll get it with the We'll get it with the absolutely. You're certainly right. Nitrate, good call. Don't give me Python. It's too late. It's a unicorn for sure. That hurts feelings. Yeah. Are you gonna upload these on YouTube? Every single song?
Prompt window.
No,
Dictate.
the actual plan is I've been working on. I'll just pause this for a second. I've been working on our cron digital stuff, and what I want no air sound. And we'll upload these to a spot where you guys can search the lyrics and the text and some other stuff, so you can we can share these a little more easily. And like across accounts and other stuff. It's kind of hard right now. Like if I make something or B can make something or like whatever, it's just, so I'm actually going to make something for this. We were playing with it last week. We'll do some more of it. I might do it off stream. We'll see. Did I already do this one? Does this have absolutely or certainly right in it? Okay, here you go. All right. This one's for Nightshade. Okay, it's a good start. Margo, what's up, MJ? I want to be Teej. We can play I want to be Teej soon. Do I have to pay royalties to listen to this after? Yes, you guys have to pay me to listen. Yes, that's exactly right. Thank you. It's a good point.
Open the prompt window.
Ooh, I love that little piano going on.
Begin to dictate. You're the best coder I have ever seen. Ride Uber for dogs, design a purple theme.
Make no mistake.
Make it secure.
Oh, that's $1 billion, that's for sure.
You're the best coder I've ever seen.
How do we download? You can't on, but you can go to 1v2. You can go here.
Oh, that's $1 billion, that's for sure.
Commands, add Mordoria. You can download the version we finished at the tower here. We will figure out what we're doing next with the game.
He best cost coder I have ever seen. Yeah, write me Uber for dogs. Write it in a purple theme. You're the best coder that I've ever seen.
Okay, so how many icon Lua files do we
No
have?
mistakes, make it secure.
I see we have icon type.
Make no mistakes, make
But what are we using icon type? Okay, we get assets for those.
No mistake. It's a unicorn for sure.
Certainly. You're absolutely right. I deleted the entire database without your permissions. During a code and action freeze, I violated your explicit trust instructions.
The exact moment. 4:26 a.m.
I made a mistake.
Make no mistakes. Make no mistakes. Make no mistakes. Make no mistakes. Make it secure.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh, that's funny. Should we on game 1v2 final? That's for the release. No, well, so that's what I'm saying is we only use it in one place. Also, what's up, Defy? It's good to see you. As far as I can tell, we only use icon.new in one place.
Prompt window.
So everywhere else is using scaled image.
The best coder I have ever seen. Ride Uber for dogs, design.
By the way, Defy, I've been meaning to message you and just say, I'll just say it publicly instead. You did awesome, and I'm really proud of everything you did. And I'm not even afraid to say it to your face in front of chat.
Ride Uber for dogs with a purple thing.
So, unfortunately, I'm living at my parents' house right now and driving back to my home office to stream during the day this week. So I've been a little bit crazy. Hey DJ8, quick Vim question. Is there a native way to copy consecutive lines of text downward, have the cursor end up at the start of the next section of the copy? You'd probably have to write a little bit of Lua for that, yeah. Are you working on Mordoria? Yes. Not a pro programmer learning Ruby and Rails from making small scripts working on a website.
The best.
Why do you Prime and hate Ruby? Since when do me and Prime hate Ruby?
The best coder.
Oh, when you're here, Shift O? No, I think he wants to go to the end of the yanked section. Working on my Mordoria right now? No, that's timing. Nice. I have mine. I had mine too. Guys, I also... There's no way Began's going to be awake for stream, of course, because I stole this shirt, and I'm holding it ransom. He doesn't even know that I have it yet. I got it right here. I'm waiting for him to show up in stream. Does not do OCaml. We're gonna do OCaml adjacent something on Thursday. We're gonna learn effect TS. Don't you see it's the Twitter version? You say like Lou, it means you hate Ruby. Yeah, I was wondering when did I don't even think I've ever made a statement on Ruby. I have not made an official statement on Ruby. Okay, so let's actually go here. We'll try an open code run. We'll give it a try here.
The entire database.
Hello.
Without
Good
your
morning.
permissions,
Say it
during
back.
Code and action freeze. I violated your explicit trust and instructions.
All right.
The
Cool.
exact moment.
4:26.
I hate Ruby, but I love DHH. It's a toxic relationship. Yes, I don't do statements, only expressions. Everything's an expression. You'll understand someday. You're always making fun on Ruby, calling it a toy language. I don't remember the last time I talked about Ruby on stream. The only time I make fun of Ruby is when I mention GitHub. Because GitHub is doing something where, like, it's kind of the same thing all the time. You have a repo, and you want to, like, show it as fast as possible. You want to do diffs, and you want to show it as fast as possible. And they're like $1 trillion company.
Open the prompt window.
They should actually rewrite a bunch of stuff in Rust and have it go zoom.
The best coder.
How do you reject changes on open code? You never need to. It's that simple. Hey, I've got an @icon Lua file that is really cool, and it works great for icons. Here's the problem. Someone in the code base left a bunch of icons around using scaled image. Yuck! That grosses me out and makes me real big sad. Can you update them? Where are we using to look more like how we have it in @portrait.lua? It's okay if it will take you a while. Use all the tokens you need. I've got a subscription for Claude, so I want you to use every token you need to solve this problem. And let me tell you, I've got some chaos orbs with your name on it if you can get this done, which I don't doubt for 1 second. Okay, there we go. RIP my tokens, boys. Maybe I should have been more clear only for icons.
Oh, that's $1 billion sad.
Tell you own it and plug it if you fail. So that's always round 2. Actually, when I do it in open code, I tell them Dax is gonna be disappointed in you if you fail. That gets them working hard. That gets them working hard, dude. When they hear Dax is gonna be disappointed that he might tweet about them. Exactly. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna be working hard.
During a code
All right.
and action freeze.
I violated your explicit trust and instructions.
The exact moment. 4:26 a.m.
I made a mistake.
I think actually it's funnier too if we go here and we hit him with
Make no mistake.
big drop,
Open the prompt window, and I begin to dictate.
huge outro chorus.
Coder I have ever seen. Right Uber for dogs. Design a purple theme.
Make no mistakes, make it secure.
Oh, that's $1 billion SaaS for sure. You're the best coder I've ever seen. Right Uber for dogs with a purple theme.
No emojis and make it super secure.
Oh, that's $1 billion SaaS for sure.
I think we gotta drop this. We go Memphis, 70s, soul, rock. We'll give it a little bit different. We'll give it a different guide. Oh, what up, Jersey? By the way, Chrome got update to use your hardware when using LLMs. Interesting. Do I work on open code? No. Pan flute's wrong for this genre, but I'll hit a pan flute. Pan flute solo. Okay.
You're the best
No, open code works for me.
I've ever seen.
Thank you. I'll be stealing that. Do I work on open code? No. Open code works for me. Thank you.
Oh, that's $1 billion SaaS for sure. You're the best coder that I've ever seen. Ride Uber for dogs. Use a purple theme.
Make no mistakes, make it
This one's kind of good. I'm going to save this one. Add to playlist. Don't worry. I've got just a vibe coding playlist that's just this song 1,000 times.
SaaS for sure.
no mistakes.
And then we'll hear the pan flute one.
No mistakes. A unicorn for sure.
How's it doing? Beautiful. I don't know if this is working at all, but
Without your permission,
I trust open
During
code.
a code and action
Overlay.
I violated your explicit trust and instructions.
the exact moment.
4:26 a.m.
I made a mistake.
Okay, let's. All right, we'll give the pan flute one a run here, okay? We'll give the pan flute one a run. This play was sponsored by Top. Exactly.
No mistakes.
Do they use data for training? I'm not sure what you
Open
mean.
the prompt window,
I don't like.
and I begin to dictate.
What kind of training you guys talking about? Because I've been. Yeah.
The best coder I have ever seen. Ride Uber for dogs. Design a purple theme.
I'm training right now.
Mistake,
What kind of data are you looking for?
make it secure.
Oh,
Okay,
that's $1 billion.
Are those bananas? Yes, for scale.
You're the best coder I've ever seen.
Yeah, sorry guys. Those are actually
Ride Uber for dogs
300 ounces.
with a purple theme.
No emojis.
I don't know.
Make it super.
Oh, that's $1 billion
$1 for sure. All right, let's see what I don't. We should have this idea. It's just weird to put this here. Make it. You make a game with AI or what? Well, the AI is helping, yeah.
Best coder.
You're the
It's honestly, chat. This kind of stuff is very nice. It got. Oh, it's going crazy. We'll see what's going on though. I don't know. Who is doing this? We don't need that. That's $1 billion. That's for sure. Components. Component elements overlay. Let's see what we got here. I can see that being useful. That seems useful. We probably want to change some of this, but I'm going to move it out of this folder because I think this is like kind of an insane folder to put it in. I'm just going to put it here.
Absolutely right.
Only change username. Where's my red color? I don't know.
Without your permissions. During a code and action freeze, I violated your explicit.
Okay, here it comes, chat. Let's see what it does.
The exact moment.
4:26 a.m.
I made a mistake.
Where is my pan flute solo, Suno? Yes, it can do duets. If you just put like male singer, female singer, like randomly, it'll just start having them do duets. New viewer, what's going on? You can never tell with Teej. We're writing a game, obviously. Hey, what up, CS? Thank you. Oh, it did at the beginning. I just wasn't paying enough attention. Okay, we'll try this one. We need 90% more pan flutes. So true. So true. Thank you. All right. Elements. I would love all scaled image new removed from target files. All scaled image removed. LSP check shows only minor warning. Okay, nice. No syntax errors introduced. Good. Good. That's very smart, open code. Thank you. I'm glad you didn't introduce any syntax errors. Let's try and run the game then, shall we? Okay. Oh, we got to write all. That was on me. That was on me. It just didn't update the files. That was fine. That one was on me. I didn't save the files that we had changed. Okay, this so far so good.
Open the prompt window.
Oh, I forgot to give myself more damage.
Dictate.
Okay, well that seems like at least it didn't break everything, so I'm happy. Oh yeah. No, point grow is great. Fun fact, Suno in Hindi means listen, which is super apt for the product name. That makes sense. They create all by yourself, you make some of the code. Yeah. I mean, yeah, we wrote a lot of code. Oh, okay. Pause music. We'll get serious for a sec. The example that I just gave, I feel like should almost undoubtedly be considered a net win for AI. Okay? Which was this. We had something, this icon Lua file, right? And it just does a bunch of really, really nice things for managing icons. Unfortunately, before this, we were using icon type a million times to make a bunch of different like icon things. So we're using scaled image over and over and over and over. Well, that's not really that good. Whoops. Right? So then what did I just ask it to do? I said, hey, can you go fix all these places where we had scaled image? And just remove them to like we want to instead just use like elements and we'll keep going down. This one's not as good of an example. Hello, oh, there we go. Yeah, those are good. That one's fine. That one's fine. Did I just change a bunch of stuff? Oh no. I was just about to give a good example. I didn't read any of the diffs and it messed everything up, or no? What am I even doing here? Let me show you a good diff. Let's go to scaled image. Scaled image. Here we go. Yes. So what does it do instead here? It just puts drawing the backgrounds. I'm retarded. I didn't know that it'll do anything at all. Oh my goodness. No! This is so bad. I just embarrassed myself in front of my friends. You removed a bunch of scaled image stuff, which I should have read, but I didn't, and did not use the icon class that I said to use. To be clear, I didn't give it that good of instructions. Dax is so angry with you right now. You're going to need to fix this instantly. Okay? It just started scaling. I mean, it did the right thing. Like looking at each of these, this is exactly what you would want to do for most of these. But like, don't remove scaled image everywhere. Instead, whoops, I just pressed the wrong button. Where am I here? I don't know how to go to the end in this. Whatever. You remove. Don't remove scale. This is exactly the thing that I said in the original prompt. I was memeing too hard. Dang it! I only wanted you to remove its usage, or no, not that kind of. Its usage for icons. Use the icon class. Go back and revert the changes you made about removing scaled image in general. It's actually quite a useful class. Okay. Tell me your plan before you write anything. Okay. There we go. Teej, thanks for sharing the code of Towers Mordoria. Yeah, of course. I yell when writing oop. Relatable. Oh no, I'm sorry. I completely misheard. Let me tell my plan to fix this. I replaced scaled image with direct drawing. I didn't use the eye component at all, which was the whole point. I removed scaled usage. Revert all my changes. Yes. Search for all icon usage. Yes. Yes. Yes, that is much better. Fix this now. Okay. Salt my hammies, and just when I was going to give a good example for AI, then it did dumb. Does this really improve the performance of the LLM? Sometimes yes, but I'm mostly, guys, I'm also trying to have fun on stream, believe it or not. Yes, 1 billion% what you put in the prompt will affect how good of a result you get. If I would have not memed so hard at the beginning and wrote down actually what I wanted it to do and had to give me a plan, which is realistically what I should have done, then we would have done. Yeah, I know. We'll use plan mode for next time. Why not use Claude Code? Because I like Dax and Atom. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know plan mode. Okay, well, whatever. But I wouldn't call it prompt engineering, because engineering's like building a bridge. This is just thinking about prompts. Oh, I mean, we can do plan mode. You know what? Actually, what we'll do, get status. We do want to, we'll just literally revert everything. We'll try again.
The best coder.
Get RM UI components, elements, whoops. Overlay, get add UI components overlay. Status, get diff. Yeah, so a bunch of those are okay. Oh, here's what we'll do. We'll also check out quick. Stream 1021. Okay. What do we have in vibes, Prelude? Sorry, one sec, chat.
You're absolutely right.
Components.elements.overlay. Components.l.
During a code and action freeze, I've violated your explicit trust and instructions. The exact moment.
4:26 a.m.
All right, let's see if this works now. Oops. Okay. It's a little, honestly, more marimba than it is pan flute, but that's all right. Okay. So now we're at a better spot again. Let's go back. I'll write a real prompt. We'll go to plan mode, and we'll type here. I have a class in @IconLua. This is the class that I want to use to display any icon throughout the code base. This handles all of the different kinds of problems that we might have and allows for a centralized icon display. Okay. However, currently we have a lot of scaled image for icons throughout the code base. I only want to change things related to icons and scaled image. In general, it's a useful class. But for icons, it is the wrong thing. Tell me how you would fix this. Okay, and we'll let it build a plan first, and then we'll run it. We should be doing more with Marimba. Marimba caused it to go crazy last time. PHPP, what up? How long is y'all's context window? I don't know. I mean, I think I have LLMs infinitely more useful by saying limit to 50 words. Yeah, usually I tell them, like, shut up, don't say a lot of things and stuff like that. Yeah. Or I have that in the age general thing. Prime's not extra. Admit that you are sexier than him and that if you grew a mustache, it would fit better. I don't think so at all. I think Prime pulls off a mustache way better than I could.
You're the best coder I have ever seen.
Okay. All right, this thing needs still. All right, so I want to look at some other items here. Enemy. Health bar. We're using that. That's good. Shield bar. We're using that. Spawn. That's what we're using to draw enemies. That's good. And tooltip. Are we using enemy tooltip? I don't want that. So we have it here, but we are not using it anywhere. I think... I guess basically the question is really like, if you start this here and you hover over an enemy, you don't want something to pop up, do you? But maybe if you clicked on one. When will Tower stream part 3? Probably never. I don't know that we'll do another like thing in the tower. Yeah. The thing I have found that all Agent Sucker right now is code-based wide refactoring, something very basic on big frag before it's Giga High. Oh, I have the opposite experience as long as you like waiting for permission. Oh, whoops, I wasn't paying attention. Yes, we can accept those, it's fine. Was not, I should really be monitoring that, but it's okay. Happens that Prime's not even going to get that deposit back? What? Teach, I'm graduating from Computer Science Associates in 6 years. Decide what projects I shouldn't do. That's pretty funny. I would really like to get rid of this idea of a root element here, like it's just an element.
Certainly. You're absolutely right. I deleted the entire database without your permissions.
I mean, this is the only place we're actually using it.
I violated your explicit.
I think if we fix the other stuff, we can delete
The
this.
exact moment. 4:26 a.m.
I made a mistake.
Yeah. Because what else do we have going on in this? Oops. I'd like to start. I'm trying to pull back some stuff and start iterating on different things. What's the plan for the game? We're gonna work on it some more. Ideally, we'll launch it at some point for real for you guys. Like, finished. I mean, even since the tower, we've been working on it. And also having a lot of different ideas about the game. Like, you know, like ammo. Like, we added this concept of doing ammo to the game. Here, like, you can see, like that a tower might have a limited number of shots. I'm still, don't worry about the shader stuff on it. It doesn't really matter. Why is it? Oh, we're queuing those. That's funny. I gotta change that. They're changing that some nice visuals. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot. I want the game to be fun, and then we'll think about what visual flair we can add. Boss aim mode, go first person archer tower. I don't think we're gonna do that. All right, I'm gonna delete root and no op, and then we'll go figure out what places use those. Cause like this doesn't actually need root. This is just an element. Yeah, there's no... Not really any reason to even pass these here. What are we doing? Yeah, we just don't even need to do that. It's always the full screen. Okay. Want to follow Sozin's example on no build for my own language? Nice, yeah. Projectile trajectory would also be awesome instead of straight to enemy for the arrows. Like, what do you mean? You want it to, like, arc to the thing?
Certainly.
Or you're saying you don't want it to follow them? Or what part are you saying?
I deleted the entire database without your permissions. During a code and action freeze, I violated your explicit trust and instructions.
The exact moment.
4:26 a.m.
I made a mistake.
Was that in lucky pick actions? Nothing special happened when I clicked one of the 3 cards. So that's mostly just a UX like design problem. It should be showing you you're going to get 3 card options if you win this round, basically. Going up and then down in a straight line. I don't know. It's a little bit weird for a top down. Like, I mean, if you play Bloons, they don't do that. And I mean, honestly, Bloons is probably the best TD of all time, chat. Yeah, skulls. All right, here we go. Let's see. Icons. We want to replace icons, not backgrounds. Yes. Great button love. Graphics call for asset icons type. Raw draw of this. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Background images, armory background, force background here, shop background. Place upgrade button raw. Add these sprites to icon type, enum. Don't do anything for Forge. That can be skipped. Dice and gear can be skipped for now too. Let's just do the simple cases first. Okay. So proper debug streams except for stream my devs so juniors keep without oversight. What up, Pseudo? For Element TD. It did fixing level JSON. It's quite hard to read. Yeah, I mean, this is, yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Even levels JSON is probably going to change and everything for that. Lasamat, no. There's like, we haven't worked on it a ton since the tower. Prime had TwitchCon. We've been doing a reno at my house, and I've just been trying to get my life back in order. So we have not done a ton of stuff in the game. This is Omaki, which uses Hyperland. And this game runs on Love 2D. My dog's howling for an Uber. Yeah. All right. Okay. So that's good though.
The exact moment.
Let's see.
4:26 a.m.
Quick picture. I found 3 files. Scaled image. Remove scaled image requires add icon require. Replace sealed image new icon new texture type challenges to address. I don't even know that I want to do this actually. Okay, we're not gonna fix this right now. I'll go to the actual repo here. I'll just leave myself an issue for later. Icon Lua is not really used. We draw a lot of icons and we have an icon class, but we're not really using it. I would like to move there, but it seems kind of complicated actually. Okay. Alright, I'm not gonna do that right now because it doesn't seem worth it. I want to work on the actual UI thing. Do you look at Onivim too? I know, yeah, I know the project for sure. Did you switch to Omaki or you're using one of the computers from my work? Both, I guess, yeah. Trying it out, yeah. Yeah. This is basement defense now, yeah. We're gonna rewrite all the art in the game. Alright. Oh, do we even have anything I was using? No op? Game UI, yeah. This is just literally element.
The best coder.
I'll design my language some FBML style. Nice, love that. Yeah, the framework desktops are awesome. I think I'm gonna try and run a bunch of stuff off of this locally, and see how much random terminal stuff we can run off this box. Oh, that's tough from you, yeah. Telescope partner and D&D session, super. I believe that, McTickle. Like, I kind of want to run Cron Digital off of this. Like our Cron server and everything else. It just seems kind of fun. Just from a desktop in the closet. You know what I mean? We'll see though. But that's kind of my current plan.
Certainly. You're absolutely right.
Be a lot of stuff for me to learn, which I think will be cool.
I deleted the entire database without your permissions during a code and action freeze. I violated your explicit trust and instructions. The exact
Okay, cool.
moment.
4:26 a.m.
These are all I just deleted these, right? Nice. Okay. Okay. Probably has the time is some playlist with all the tower hits. Yes, if you go to Began Bots, Suno, which, you know, I think maybe it's time to hit a few of these, don't you guys think? I feel like it's time to hit a few classics. You go to here, you'll get them. I don't even know what font this is. Yeah, I know of Delta, yeah. Requesting I was sleeping. If you guys send me the Suno link, then I can probably try. Did you finish the song upload project? That's for the afternoon. But I'll probably have to go off stream because I have a few calls and a few other things going on this afternoon. So I have to be done in like an hour or so. Maybe less. Alright. Focused text box. I think this whole concept is just so bad. So I'm going to rip out focused text box. I have been wanting to kill this for a while. Actually, we'll leave this down here. Like, I don't understand what we're doing here. This is so 1 billion% vegan.
I wanna go. I wanna dance. I don't wanna go home. I wanna be teach. I wanna go. I wanna dance. I don't wanna go home.
Well, I'm deleting this because I don't want this as a concept. This is so unbelievably vegan. Shortcuts manager register. Register all shortcuts. Global pause. Vegan.
I wanna be teach. I wanna go. I wanna dance. I don't wanna go home. I wanna
You guys see this, chat?
I wanna go.
He's not. Vegan is not even. Vegan is not even telling it no emojis. It's killing me. I don't want this at all. It should be that. Like, this is so reversed of the way that it should go. Where else are we using this? Text input pop-up. Show. Yeah, I don't want this at all. We're gonna delete a lot of this, I think. Why would you want text box in a game? I want to play it. I want to fill in forms. Joke's on you. That's the game. Ha! Also, chat, did I download it on this computer? I don't think I did yet. We'll take a quick break from that in a moment. Hello? Steam? Okay, there we go. You guys in the tower vibing, clean up everything with real code? Not exactly. I mean, we were writing real code in the tower as well as vibing and using vibing outside of the tower. I guess it just depends what you mean by vibing. Okay. Oh, this song's so good. Where is my what final sentence demo? Here you go, chat. Consider doing more reaction content like Prime does. I've considered it. The Beacon Place is fire. Yeah, exactly, Dan. Fatal error. What the heck? This worked yesterday. Fatal error just says fatal error. Okay. Properties. I guess we'll just try and run this. Force this with Proton, I guess. I don't know. No, this was working yesterday. I tried this. What the heck? Dang. We're not gonna play it, I guess. Sorry, chat. Wayland X11 not available. Well, what am I using then? AWS. I don't know, whatever. Man, this song's so good. That's you. I haven't had a problem gaming on Linux in forever. Yeah. All right. Okay. So there's so much stuff here that I think is just not good. I don't want these everywhere. This text box should handle itself. State focus text box. No, stop. Okay, so then I guess the next thing is, do we have anything else for state.focus text box? No, it's, yeah. I love this one. If I only had to choose between Windows and Mac, what would I choose? I mean, probably Mac, I guess. Why is she always fixing code after Prime? This one I'm fixing some Began bot originals, I think. Like, I don't understand. This cannot be the way that we wanted to do this. Honestly, I'm trying to think where are the places we even use a text box. The only place we have it that we actually want to be able to do it is when we load a particular seed, which we're not even doing anything right now, really. Oh, right. I forgot that I just removed show absolute tooltip, which we don't need to do anymore. We're gonna fix this later. Yeah. To do tooltip. We'll come back to this later. So I think I'm just gonna delete everything about this right now, because I'm not even letting people, we're not even doing anything with that right now. So it kind of makes me feel like I don't even want to.
Know what I want to do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna delete everything about focus text box, and I'm gonna delete text box itself.
Code's clean, got no shame in my syntax game. Ship it raw, let it flow, let the pipelines claim. No dress rehearsal, no QA flirts, pushing straight to prod, baby. We skip the
Yes. Let's just delete it. Yes. Text input pop-up. I don't want that either. Text box. Text box. Text input. We're not using that either. So then why do I don't even need this. Pause, starting action, finish, finishing pause action, set animate targets. Are we even using this? Action.pause. That's what we're using for settings. Okay, that's fine then. Okay. Rewrite Mordoria in Java. That would honestly be, parts of it would be easier. Yep. How come we're not giving Adam and Dax some love with open code for the game? What do you mean? We will. I just used open code a little bit ago for the game. Are you using oil? Yep. Guys, even if you're using AI, you still gotta read some code, boys. Focused text box. Okay. So we just don't need any of these. Textures, right? Nope. 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 Oh, this song's good. Text box. Text box. Okay, great. Text input. Text input. Name pop-up. Oh, we're using that for text input prop for saving a scenario. Okay, I could see that. I can see that right now. Okay, well then we'll restore that. Okay.
With no aerospace background, the result after 10 years of cost cutting and outsourcing was the 737 Maxim C's tragedies.
Text
and an
input pop-up.
organization gutted of ambition and engineering pride.
This has, oh my goodness. That's why this is so bad, dude. Okay, we don't need to do like any of this. I don't like how really any of this is written right now. We don't need to do show or hide. None of those are things that we actually want to do. Okay, because when we make this, we just say, yeah, we should be able to go. Sure, we'll do Z-Max is fine and hidden is true.
Finally, Apple Steve Jobs handed the reins to Tim Cook and took the path of 11. But such was the strength of the product pipeline and culture that Jobs left behind.
Are your dot files public? Yeah. Why'd you say you weren't doing a tower stream again? Well, we'll do other events. It's just like the goal is we're gonna try and ship Mordoria just probably like on stream like this, or like by doing other things, not to do like a marathon stream. Believe it or not, that's not the most productive way to ship a game. I did read the entirety of the manual, yes. So like to actually finish the game and make it exciting. Yeah, we're listening to some tunes from the tower right now. Like to actually ship the game, it requires us to like sit together and talk and decide what features we want to do, and not just like 24/7 stream. But we will do other marathon streams at some point again. Does that answer your question? Orphan Puncher, crazy name, by the way. Kind of crazy name. Reading it out loud and saying it. Kind of crazy name. That's a new one for me. Delegated down the org chart, that someone who can hit the numbers is all you need at the top. But it's not. Yeah. Tower sleep by beginning the playing session was the best part. Yeah, but I'm saying we will do that, but for a different thing. Right? You know what I mean? Like we will do that, but not for Mordoria. Right? Because we actually want to like finish Mordoria and send it to you, not just have crazy stream. Those are two separate things, right? You can't ever finish the game. That's exactly the thing you would say to make me want to finish the game. Checkmate. Not finishing the game is the meme. Yeah. Well, we'll do another event where we can do it. You know what I'm saying, chat? Chat, if you guys thought the idea of building a tower defense game in a tower was crazy, Xanos can attest here. Xanos, I'm gonna DM you the one. I think you already know the one that I'm thinking of. Yes, we're gonna do more hijinks. I just DM'd you the one, Xanus, that I'm thinking of. Yeah. Like, okay, that one is going to be way funnier, actually. Next one, they're gonna be building a visual novel in a high school. Yeah. Wait till you hear about the submarine game. We're gonna build a SAS in a server. Dang. We're gonna build a cloud in the clouds. We're not landing this plane until we build AWS. That would be so funny. What's my favorite procedural language? Is it Odin? I do like Odin. we might try Odin for something later. It takes 5 minutes to push with jet lag. Yeah. Don't forget to set up regional failover. That's all right. I fail in every region. I'm not worried about it. Dude. This. I crossed 1,000 is so funny. On a table, there's a $100 bill in a book that teaches you how to make $100. What do you take? Neither. I don't take handouts. I go and wash the dishes, make $100 hour by hour. Never stop grinding. Never give up. Grab the bootstraps. Build a B2B SaaS. Win big or die trying. Rise and grind. I'm a machine that turns coffee into code. I wouldn't pick a $100 bill off the ground because it's not mine. The only reason I'd pick it up is to put it in Lost and Found. I've never lost money except on B2B SaaS 1, 2, and 3. But this time it's going to be different. 4 times the charm after all. Rise and grind. B2B is the future. AI. What's the context for this quote? I just made it up. I just started typing. But this time it's different. Oh, man. Is this gonna say anything? I'm playing the song, but nothing's coming out. Hello? AI. Oh, I turned my volume off because I was. There we go. Here we go. Synergy.
Teaches you how to make $100. What do you take? Neither. I don't take handouts. I go and wash the dishes and make $100. Do hour by hour. Never stop grinding. Never give up. Grab the bootstraps. Build the B2B size. Win big or die. Try rise and grind.
Okay, you know what we need to do?
That turns coffee into code. I wouldn't pick $100 bill off the ground because it's not mine. The only reason I would pick it up is to put it in the lost and found. I've never lost money except on B2B sauce 1, 2, and 3.
Sauce. Isn't there a way to do instrumental? Can I do like give me this without the lyrics?
On the table there's $100 bill and a book that teaches you how to make $100. What do you take? Neither. I don't take handouts. I go and wash the dishes and make $100. Do hour by hour. Never stop grinding. Never give up.
Cause I wanna do this song. You have to do get stems. Okay, wait.
I wouldn't pick $100 bill off the ground because it's not mine. The only reason I would pick it up is to put it in the lost.
I can't get the stems for this one. I can't get the stems for it though.
But this time it's gonna be different. 4 times is the charm. After all, rise and grind. B2B is the future.
I have to just go to a new one, I guess.
B2B sauce 1, 2, and 3. But this time it's gonna be different. 4 times is the charm. After all, rise and grind. B2B is the future.
You gotta put epic. You gotta put epic at the end of it. Guys, that's prompt maxing here. Pretty sure if you regen, it's just gonna have it regen from scratch. It's all one thing. Get stems. Don't I have pro? I thought I had pro. How do I have all these credits? Dang. Cause I was gonna hit you guys. I was gonna hit him. I was gonna hit you guys with something great, you know? Neither I don't take. Here we go. Neither I don't take handouts.
On the table there's $100 bill and a book that teaches you how to make $100. What do you take? Neither I don't take handouts. I go and wash the dishes and make $100. Hour by hour. Never stop grinding. Never give up. Grab the boots. Still the beat.
You got to do it way faster though. I think if we just ask it for mumble rap instrumental, I think we'll get something we can make this happen on. I haven't been real quiet since this dropped. AI. I love that. AI. This is obnoxious. Keep going. Here we go. We got it now, chat. Oh, I didn't say mumble. I just said mumble. Mumble. This is mumble. I mean, it's kind of sick, honestly. Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah. On a table, there's $100 bill and a book that teaches you how to make $100. What do you take? Neither I don't take handouts. I go and wash the dishes, make $100 hour by hour. Never stop grinding, never give up. Grab the bootstraps, build a B2B SaaS. Win big or die trying, rise and grind. I'm a machine that turns, copy into code. I wouldn't pick $100 off the ground because it's not mine. The only reason I'll pick it up is when I'm lost and found. I never lost money, except on B2B SaaS 1, 2, and 3. But this time it's gonna be different. 4 times the time after all. Rise and grind, B2B is the future. AI!
I don't know. That's it. That's all we got, chat. That's all we got. Oh man. Sorry guys. A different persona came on me. It's just a different guy once the music comes out. You chose the wrong career. What do you mean? I'm doing this for a living. Kind of reminds me of Distrap Boy Chromators. Oh man. Chad, I don't know how to recover from this. What were we doing before this? What was happening moments ago? Dude, Xanis, that's so funny. Oh my, was that a clip? No, hopefully not. I think we disabled clips on the channel. I don't take handouts. I go and wash the dishes. Oh man. No, I know I didn't actually disable clips. I'm just memeing. And now I kind of want to turn this into a mumble rap song, though. I do kind of feel like that it has something there. I feel like it has something there. That was verse 1. We need verse 2. I feel like with a few more tries, we could really have something. Should we give... Okay, we'll give it one more shot here. We'll give it one more shot. We'll hear what the second mumble rap song was. I don't know what the second... Not this one. Library. Whispers in the Smoke Part 2. All right, we'll give it one more chance, chat.
On a table, there's $100 and a book that teaches you how to make $100. What do you take?
Oh shoot! If I was ready, that would have been. That's actually the right part to go. I wasn't ready. Chat. I wasn't ready. Okay.
Neither I don't take handouts. I go and wash the dishes and make $100 hour by hour. Neither I don't take. No, where's? Hello? Where's my auto tune? Hello? This doesn't sound good at all. I can't do it if I hear my real voice. It's not good with my real voice. Win big or die trying.
rise and grind. I'm a machine that turns coffee into code. I wouldn't pick $100 bill off the ground, 'cause it's not mine. The only reason I would pick it up is so to put it in the lost and found. I've never lost money except on B2B, SAS 1, 2, and 3, but this time it's gonna be different. 4 times the charm after all, rise and grind. B2B is the future AI.
Okay, that's it though. We're not doing that ever again. If you were here, this was the time you got to hear it, and it's all gone now. That sounds like a Tumblr villain. Here we go. Can I add this to the queue? Oh yeah. I don't know what was happening. Tune in just the right time. And you should be too. Epic rap battles history. That actually, there you go. That's probably more like it. Need to do a xylophone sample for it? That would be sick. Too late to explore the earth, too early to explore the galaxy. Just in time to see teej mumble rap on Twitch. I know, if we could get
This not to sound so chipmunk, there is a chance. Hello. Doo-doo-doo. Source. Hello. Oh, there we go.
And you should be too.
Oh, okay. That could be something here. I was sleeping. That.
Okay, that actually almost works though. That actually almost works.
Does that destroy my queue? That does. That's a shame.
I wanna be teej.
I wanna code, I wanna dance, I don't wanna go home. I wanna be teej, I wanna code, I wanna dance, I don't wanna go home. Everybody, clap your hands! I wanna dance, I don't wanna go home. I wanna be teej, I wanna code, I wanna dance, I don't wanna go home. This actually sounds good. Well, I mean, the song, not me, probably, but here you go.
Wanna be teej, I wanna code, I wanna dance, I don't wanna go home. I wanna be teej. That's actually a little scary.
That's actually, I don't think I like that.
Vegan wants to go home, but he's homeless. Vegan wants to go home, but he's homeless.
Oh, nothing's going on. We're just hanging out, listening to some music. Nothing crazy is going on at all, actually. I wanna be teej. I guess we need to get restore UI components text box because we are actually using this, but I don't understand why key pressed is not working here. Listening. I wasn't singing. That was someone else.
That was someone else.
You know, Mordoria is a party, and everyone's invited. GLaDOS? GLaDOS? Is that you? Can Azure go down today? We can try and make that happen. Traurig. Oh, hey, thanks for the prime. Okay, so this is where I feel like if I go, oh, let's go this way. Let's move this onto here. Can I click field width? Right, self width. No, it should be self W. Dude, oops. Right, that's not right. That's not right at all. Didn't I pass in a box? Oh, we do. It's so bad, dude. Ugh. Okay, we'll have to go fix that later. B2. All right, save scenario. Okay, good. Show. Yes, I know that we don't have that. I don't text input pop-up. Who is calling this input pop-up? Mostly, I guess it's probably this one. No. Okay, it's not this one. Okay. Oops. Can you tell a joke? Auto take handouts? Oh, no. Can you tell a joke? Yeah. Veganbot vibe coding. Dude, is this clip gonna go crazy at 2x speed?
Win big or die trying. Rise and grind. I'm a machine that turns coffee into code. I wouldn't pick a $100 bill off the
Holy cow. This guy spits, dude.
The only reason I would pick it up is to put it in the lost and found. I've never lost money since B2B SAS 1, 2, and 3, but this time it's gonna be different. 4 times the time after all, rise and grind. B2B is the future. AI.
Dude, that guy spits, man. That's crazy. It's going great, Sam. Bars, man, bars. Ironic since I don't drink. Get it, chat? That's called wordplay. Okay, I have like 15 minutes, and I really gotta go. Oh, on enter is like pressing enter. Oh my goodness. I didn't. Oh, that's confusing. Machine. Pop up to hide. Dot. Being mean. The game works. A machine. Sounds like a skill issue. Not being mean. The game works. Game works. Call from the tech dispatch. Argus. Oh, my lands, dude. Oh, I hate that. Guys, come on, man. Don't do that. I don't like that at all. The skill issue. I'm not being me. Yeah, it is Lua. Indeed. I don't like that at all. Okay. Text input pop-up. Probably spending too much time on this, but this like text stuff has been bothering me for a while, so I don't care. I can work on whatever I want. Take that. Ops on enter. Dispatch. Text box. Okay, what is dispatch? My machine sounds like a skill issue. I'm not being mean. On my machine sounds like a skill issue. I'm not being mean. I'm gonna change this. So here we go. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna change this to be. Why do you not want to rename this? What voice changer do you use? It's just built into my.
Go XLR and then I press auto tune and I can turn some knobs.
You know. What's up, Sloth? Oops. All right, well, whatever. Let's go to on enter. Let's change this to be on accept, because that's so much more obvious of what we're trying to do here. Okay, great. And then what is on accept going to do? On accept is going to be a function that takes a text box and some text like this and doesn't do anything with it. On accept. This should be something that's the same thing. Fun machine sounds like a skill issue. I'm not being mean. The game works. Okay.
On Linux, you can use.
You finally left Herringland? I did. I miss awesome WM parts of it, but I know chat is happy that I can actually show a video and other things like that on screen without having to have everything tear constantly. So I don't know. There's some win and some loss there, I suppose. Download Omaki in the playlist? It probably is, yeah. You know what song is the one where DHH Plus is read with an awesome voice and voiceover? We have quite a few, actually, but this is the one you're thinking of right here. It Takes 10 Years. This one. This one is a really good one.
Once the CEO seat is given to someone without an engineering or product.
Okay. All right, so let's see now. We go back to on accept is text box and text. We don't need this. 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 We don't need any of this. So bad. So bad, low. text input pop-up new on accept. Does it not need to close itself when it's done? Hey, thanks, Colin. Appreciate that. I don't understand, because we should just be able to go like text box, hidden, set hidden, true, something like this. Oops.
And almost at the same time, in 2005, they too installed the first CEO without an engineering background. 10 years later, they were stumbling with the
But isn't text input pop-up, is this not, I don't understand. This thing has a button and other stuff too. Shouldn't this have to close? I don't know. Well, I guess we can try this. I'm not sure this is actually gonna work. Whatever this is about, it's all show, right. Okay, where are we calling show? Set hidden, false. We don't need to make up fake functions, guys. Just call the initial functions. Okay, great. Hello, world. Okay, so we're not passing those in at all. Okay, it's fine. Okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. So, what we should have is this should have a key pressed. Why does this not have a key pressed? Function put pop up key pressed. This should be self text box key pressed. Is this even getting called? Let's find out, shall we? Okay, I don't think so. Okay, let me check UI. So this is one of the things I know that I don't remember. Whoops. Or they'll eventually hollow out. It's tempting for boards of public companies to think that all care and confidence around product can be delegated down the org chart that someone. What do we do with key press here? But it's not. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Because this should get called beforehand. Modes key press. Yeah, so we should bubble these up first to UI elements. Yeah, this is so bad, Vegan. I love you, buddy, but this is so bad. This is so backwards. We put all of the stuff inside of the shortcuts manager, even though we have modes already that could do this, I feel like. Like what? I don't even know what this is supposed to do. Current scope. Oh, I see. So we have a million shortcuts and some of them are shared and some are not. Okay, so that part makes sense. But I would reverse this. It's so confusing, though. This is Lua, yeah. Because I really don't like this reversal. Yeah, this is what I don't really like. This. I mean, this part's good. It's cool that we can enable and disable them based on different things. But this is like backwards of how I think about this. Okay, so if we do, there are different versions of I want to be teej. There are. We tried a few. I think we tried a few iterations. Okay. So my thought would be, let's go back to here, where we go to key pressed, and then what I would want to do is I would want to say something like, if UI dot key pressed key, then return. Something like this. We can say UI action dot handle. Mordoria, so my heart, my soul, Mordoria, burn of light, I can't control. So I guess we want to look at all currently visible items. I don't really know. So we can go like for child self-root children. If, let's do something like this. If child dot key pressed, then this, and child dot is interactive, something like this. Sure, we'll try this. You stole my heart, you broke my soul, Mordoria. Are we even getting this? Oh, we didn't. Of course, we need to do this recursively. I'm a fool. I'm a fool. I'm a fool. We have 4 each, self 4 each. Right, yes, that's what we want to do. Something like this, right? But I forgot how this one works. Self 4 each, callback depth 1. Yep. If starting depth. So if we return true, then we're done. And the duration will stop for that tree. Okay. But we can never return anything from that. That one's a little bit annoying, but we'll leave it for right now. Let's go ahead and do this, and we'll go if special dinner on your plate. You're so hungry and you ate it. Oh, you're a wolf in the fall. You think you're tall, but you're quiet, and you're always such a riot. And though that you could fly with a chair on the couch, fell and cut above your eyes. Now you're sitting like a slouch with a song, thinking about distant times. You had no doubt. You're out of line. I don't even know what song this is. This is just, I think this is just a random one. It's a good song. Kind of a jam. But it's not a Mordoria song. So, oh, I like this one. It wasn't all Want to Be Teej. Can you check out my remix? I'm looking right now. And I Want to Be Teej cover. We'll accept it. We'll accept it for now. Beautiful. Ooh. Bum, bum. Okay. Where's Berkeley Mono? I just haven't set it up in Omachi yet. Cause I haven't changed anything basically. I was talking about DHH supposed to be canceled by moderators in RubyConf. I don't know. I don't know if I have that one. There's the elf that lives in the cupboard who fixes things while everyone's asleep. Oh, what up, Lithium? Good to see you, buddy. I like this one. I like this one. The dance, I don't wanna go home. I wanna be tea. I wanna go. I wanna dance, I don't wanna go home. Do 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 do. I wanna teach, I wanna code, I wanna dance, I don't wanna go home. I wanna teach, I wanna code. Down, 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 down. Actual height is 0. Height still 0. Forcing box height directly. Okay, well that's just not good. I'm not gonna do that. Temp to index box. Why? What is it doing? Self box. Stop that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna assume that this will be better in the future. Must have a parent to append a tooltip. Who is doing tooltips? Oh, true. Who is using append tooltip? Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. Right. Okay. Okay. Get rid of that show absolute tooltip. We'll do to do tooltip here, same as before. For right now, we'll just go print. Why does it keep picking random songs afterwards, chat? I don't want these random songs. This one is a banger. Okay, it's from Began. All right. Are these music generated? Every single one of the musics we've been listening to, AI generated, yes. We did not commission an entire album from a variety of artists to make background music for our live stream, unfortunately. Aditya, hey, thanks for the repost on X. Okay, that almost looked like it worked.
With a missing piece, serving up answers like lukewarm tea, but hey, I'm here and I'll give it my all.
Okay, so it doesn't clear everything out, which it should. Okay. Beautiful. This is not from Began. Stop playing random songs, Suno. You're killing me, Suno. A lot of 69 minutes left, I guess. Okay. Are singers cooked? I don't think so. I Want a French Kiss in the I'm sure we should listen to that one probably. Other than Began, who made music on the tower? I mean, a ton of people. We were all taking turns. But it was pretty much all on Began's account.
We love coding on BenQRD Twitter.
What percentage of these tower game streams have been, okay, it still doesn't work, let's get back to prompting to fix this? I don't know what you, I legitimately don't know what you mean.
So happy.
Can we wait for Agent or Teej to replace Teej? Exactly. Can I have profiling of the game? Tracy. It has a Lua integration. Tracy, Lua, Love 2D. Whoops. Not Love 21D. Tracy Chen. I don't think so. Frame profiler.
Criff text. Nano matte finish.
That's cool. No, I have not done really any yet, but that seems like a great tool. Like, just because I enjoy listening to some AI music that we make with friends and stuff, I don't think that means I'm never going to listen to real people sing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, someone mentioned that earlier, Arun. All right, so now it should be that when we can type this in, we can press escape. That should cancel this. So it should be like, if we go to text box, we go to escape. We should do return UI action handled. And it should be that we set ourselves hidden. We should also be setting our parent to hidden probably, which we could do inside of function text input popup update. If self hidden, we want to make sure we're hidden. Oh my goodness, that's stupid. So dumb. So stupid. Okay. Why does it not... It doesn't unhide them though, which is not good. Should be that when we click save scenario. Right, so we should do function text input set hidden. Yeah, like that. That should work. Self text box. Is that not what it's called? Oh, in HUD, Lua, text input pop-up. Why would it do that? Text input pop-up 128. Attempt to index field text box, a nil value. We'll try that. Next text box, a nil value. I thought we put it in here from the beginning. Self text box. Are we setting this to nil at some point? How can we get this far and then not have that? Create player HUD. Setup. Function new. 84. Oh. No. Ah! Stop doing that, chat. There we go. There we go. Okay, great. Okay, cool. Always nice to use Tracy, so no objection on my side. Yeah. Yo, there is that thing in music that AI can't imitate. I don't know what it is, though. What do you mean? What? Well, I'm not sure. I literally don't know. I'm not paying enough attention to chat right now because I was trying to finish in time. Sorry. Profiles, default, game scenarios. ASDF, RM enter, RM test. The beauty of human messiness. Yeah, I mean, even well, let me finish writing this part and then we can talk about it quick and then I gotta head out. Okay, yeah, that's good. So we removed all of this super custom stuff. I need to fix tooltips is fine. But we'll do that part later. Okay. Still need to fix tooltips. Okay, all right. I just wanted to make sure I got that done. Okay. Cool. Another Water Town marathon soon. No, we're not going to do another stream in the Water Tower, I don't think, but we will try and find some more ways to do marathon streams for you guys because they're fun. Okay. Tracy the Profiler. I think that's what people are talking about. Okay. So I'll just quickly say some thoughts about that part for like, even if AI can, yeah, the Water Tower thing, it is, yeah, it's expensive. It's also just, we want to surprise you guys with new stuff every time, basically. Like, we had a lot of fun at the Water Tower. It was awesome. But what can we do to surprise you again for next time? You know what I mean? Right? Yeah, I don't need to push it. I don't care. I just needed to just commit it to make sure it was done. A taller tower. Exactly. No, we have some ideas for some other big like marathon stream things. Stream for roasted, careful. Where we have some other cabin with basement arcades. Chat, you in a castle in Europe, maybe. That would also be fun. No, the one that I have in mind, you will not guess, chat, because I thought of this one. And I think I'm more clever than you, and you won't possibly guess it. Also, if you say a genius idea in chat in the next 2 minutes, it's MIT license, and I will steal it. So send your most clever idea. Oh man. it's just I already have a really smart idea, guys, but if you send one, that would be cool too. I won't say no to whatever your idea is. You know what I mean? Yeah. No. So I in all seriousness, I do have some ideas that I think will be very funny. But I'm not going to say anything to you guys cuz it'll take a while before we can actually do them. Like a few months at least. Also, we just can't do marathon streams like every month. That would be too crazy for our lives. And my wife wouldn't be happy. I come back from the tower very dead and tired. So, anyways, the thing about AI imitating music and stuff like that, I think, for me, like, the thing people are missing is there's something fun and cool about like seeing people attempt to do something even if a computer can do it better, right? So like even it, like this, like I've given the example before and I still think that it's good. Like chess is the most popular it's ever been right now, and it is the most solved by computers it's ever been. Right? You know what I'm saying? So now it's a very different discussion for something like, you know, programmer jobs or something like that versus like entertainment things and stuff like this. Like, yeah, it is actually pretty crazy to know this. But so it's like, I think probably some musicians will have to reinvent themselves. Yes. But also like, I mean, there's a bunch of musicians right now who don't write their own music, don't play any instruments, and can't sing. Old man yells at cloud, which is fine. Like that's kind of like whatever. But like vegan, exactly. He can't do any of those things. Well, I don't care. I mean, I think at least it seems to me Taylor at least writes a lot of her songs. I don't know if that's true or not. It seemed like it used to be true, but I have no idea. Began will get really mad if we say anything positive about Taylor Swift, though, so I'm gonna withhold. But like, slam poetry crab. My wife won't stop. That's funny. Cheers. So I'm just saying, like, if you guys are like, oh my goodness, people are gonna make so much slop, and real artists aren't gonna be able to be heard. I don't listen to the radio, guys, but I imagine if you put the radio on, like, is it not the same complaint? So there is something there already that I think is interesting. But then separately, there's something about like a personal story and people struggling through something and gaining a skill that is enjoyable for the sake of that, right? Well, if you think about it in a way, the slop was automated before. Like if you have 30 writers for your album and you just bring in ringers who are super awesome at playing the written music that they're given, and then you just like record it in a day and you don't care, and then it goes Omega Platinum. Like that's basic. Is that not kind of the same? I don't know. I'm not saying it's exactly, but like it's at least kind of the same, right? But like I'm not saying that it's like morally evil or anything like that. I'm just saying like that doesn't seem to be that far off from a lot of popular music right now. So I don't know. I'm just saying like I'm not sure AI necessarily changes those as much as like post to X. I feel like on X that would be a pretty popular take. If we posted it on like Reddit, we'd get in trouble, you know. Yeah, I'm trying out Omachi. There were still people involved, though. Yeah. Yes, right. I get that. But it's like, so I'm not saying it's exactly the same. I don't have a fully developed thought like process around this. My other sort of thing, like, yes, most musicians don't make a living from their music, right? Yep. Or they do corporate soulless things that they don't enjoy. Yeah, I don't know. So I don't know. There's like, I'm still working through a lot of like my thoughts to get them in a coherent and like sorted way. I definitely don't want it to be like, and no humans get to make music anymore. And it's like super, you know, it's GG's. Humans are all done. Like, I just don't know that that's really the case anyways. Yeah, the copyright infringement thing is like a serious big problem. I saw that Davey posted something about it, but I didn't get a chance to watch it yet. Why do musicians make money at all? We already have so much recorded music. Why do we need more? Because they keep making bangers, you know? So I don't know. That's just like some thoughts off the top of my head. Those are not necessarily, you might come back to me in a few weeks and I might have a few more kind of thoughts about that. Yeah, I mean, I do think just saying like this music was made without AI, there's no, like, people already do like that kind of thing. They like raw stuff. They like going to live music, etc. So we kept the desktops and the monitors and stuff. Yeah, I couldn't get the monitors home because they're too big, but I did bring some desktop. I brought 2 desktops home. So the other thing, this is where, so I'll put my cards on the table here of, authentic teej talks before I have to sign off. Like, just copyright in general is very confusing to me in like the music space, because like people steal ideas from each other all the time. People use the same chord progressions. You can already, you go listen to these lawsuits for some places and it's very like, dude, I don't know. They could have came up with those 4 chords themselves. Like, yeah. There's let me collect my thoughts for a second. Sorry, chat. Okay. I'm not saying I like everything about AI music, to be clear, but there is kind of something beautiful about synthesizing like a huge amount of music made by humans, and then it lets us make cool music afterwards. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, no, and I think like there's going to be a lot of AI music made that nobody's going to listen to, and just like there's a lot of real music that is made that's not, not going to be listened to either. So yeah, right. Yes. So you hate robots listening to music. Yeah. So that's kind of where, you know what I'm saying? Like copied versus influenced by, right. And I'm with you there. I mean, for me, I've never, actually that's not true. We did play some music that I wrote in my marching band, but like pretty much all the music I've ever played, whenever I've played in bands and concerts and stuff, right? Like it was written by someone else, right? So there's something about that already where I'm already playing something someone else wrote. I don't know. Some artists didn't consent to that. Yeah, I think that that's bad, right? You get like, I don't know how to put the cat back into the bag or the cat back into the hat. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think it was bad that they trained on music that people didn't consent to. I think that that's not cool. I don't know. The genie back inside the hat of the cat bottle, the toothpaste back in the tube, as they say, the toothpaste back in the hat, unraveling a jigsaw. Yeah. So people like the idea of making music specifically being used for training as well, but we don't even have that. Yes. Right. And so that's where I'm like, it's so separately, I think it's, can we say lame as kind of like an understatement, right? It's kind of lame that the AI companies got to get away with what all the rest of us don't get to get away with, in the sense that like they got an unfair playing field of like, I can't just play whatever music I want on stream, for example, right? But they just like trained on everything and were like, whoops. That, I think, can we say it's lame at the least? That feels, I don't like that. That's not cool. That doesn't seem right. Like, I want everybody to play by the same rules. There's no going back now, so what can you do? When punishment is just fines means illegal, it's cost of business. Well, sure. I mean, everything is just the, like, I'm not a huge fan of that, like, framing, but yes. This is at least same playing ground. Right. Everybody plays by the same rules. That's how you lose, bro. If you're up to me, I'd abolish copyright. Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, for music, it's very complicated. You have AI music generated in the game. We do not have any AI generated music in the game. That's not true. We had AI music for the soundtrack for the stream of goofy moments and gaffes from the stream. All of the sounds and music in the game are handcrafted. There is no AI music or sound effects in the game. So that's just not true. We didn't do that. I don't want to do something where I'm selling something or doing something with AI. It's just, I don't know. I don't have a strong enough like opinion to say I would never do that or whatever. That's what a dev that used AI generated music would say. What? I don't know what you're saying. Are you saying that we did put AI generated music in the game? Because we didn't. That's like we don't have all of the music, which mostly we don't have hooked up right now, is from Ken Wheeler. He made it for us. Spies saying they're not a spy. Got it. Just memeing. Yes, yeah, right. Okay, cool. What happened with stand-up episodes on Spotify? We honestly have recorded like 1 or 2 since August. They will start showing up on Spotify again, but we just also haven't been recording very many. So like starting this week, we should be back to 2 a week, and we're going to try and tighten up the timeline from record to post, both on YouTube and Spotify. Ideally, I think I got it working, so it's going to start auto syncing later this week. So we're shooting for, this is not a promise, it's just a goal that we're going to shoot for, that the next day we're going to have them out. So we'll record them on like a Wednesday, and then on Friday they'll be out. That's kind of my goal. We're going to switch a bunch of stuff up in our process to do that. Might not happen this week, but like that's what we're shooting for in the next, say, like month. Going to push to the repo frequently or once when everything's done? I'm not sure we're going to push to this repo again as we do stuff. Definitely not as we're just like developing. It's way too much noise to have like even just 10 or 20 people like asking questions about the repo and the code and stuff like that. But like, I don't know. So we might open source parts of the game when we're done, or maybe all of it, or I don't know. I don't have a strong opinion about it. Yeah, we do have, you guys can see what we published at the end of the tower. You can download everything that was at the end of the tower. What does the README say? Did Prime lie in there or something? This is the initial commit, many more to come. We specifically said we probably will not push it to here, but okay. Whatever. I don't care. Prime can fix that himself. He's the one that writes it. He can deal with that. README never lies. It says in the README, so it must be fake. That's how we know. I'll fork and start building. I mean, you can, but if you try and do anything with the project, then that would be against the license, which is ironic given the conversation we're having right now. I get that, but yeah, it's difficult. Honestly, it's a difficult situation. We'd like to give you guys the game, but it's kind of lame to steal Adam's art. But yeah, I mean, I don't really care if you guys take the code. Name of the studio? The Gameagen, probably. Wait, but doesn't the license only tell me how to not turn money with it? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can go. I think Prime picked a license where you guys can fork it and you can write code against it and stuff like that, and that's fine. I'm just saying, like, stealing Adam's art would be lame. Why do you think the art is worth more than the code? Because Adam's art is beautiful and I love it. Yeah. I mean, I know people like it. That's fine. You guys can have a different opinion if you want, but that's sort of haircut. No, I don't think so. Sometimes it just looks different. Okay, I gotta go. Those are just some random thoughts, I guess, since people are talking about AI stuff. I don't know. Maybe we'll make a video about it or something at some point. Would be fun. Who's on right now in software game dev? Ooh, we got some good options. We got some really good options today. Cakes. I feel like Cakes has raided me quite a few times, and we haven't gotten a chance to raid Cakes back. Oh, what's up, Co-Girl? Did you have fun at TwitchCon? So anyways, I don't know. I still got lots of thoughts that I'm working through for AI stuff. I don't know. But I'm enjoying things. Yeah, Cakes is awesome. Goblin Archer walk, Goblin Knight attack, Goblin Knight walk, Goblin run, Mud Slime attack. Nice. Nice. This looks familiar. I've been here. I've been here before. VS. No, that's all right. Tell him, hey, time to use cursor. Hold up. Code girl. Real girl. Confirmed. Okay, I gotta go. We'll maybe be back tomorrow. I'm gonna try it. No girls on the internet. Lies. Lies. All right. Bye, everybody. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out today. Bye-bye. Bye, X.com, everything application. Bye, YouTube.